Shoutout sa nanay kong nandito.
What's up, guys? It's your wife.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala si Andy.
Mayo? Afternoon? Mayo, afternoon! Ang saya naman ang energy nyo, guys. Thank you so much. We are the Waystate SB19's official dancers. So, we are so honored to be here, to be performing with such legends. And without that, we wouldn't be here without Quincy Entertainment, of course. Pablo, SB19. Sobrang mahal na
Yes,